parents. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this animal playmat toy gift set from Giftinthebox. There you go. I think the boys are going to really like this one because they like to talk about animals a lot. Oh.
Open and open.
Need help?
Nope. It hold.
Comes in this nice little zipped bag here that you can carry around. Bunch of animals.
Mommy, see it?
You see that?
Yeah.
Take them all out.
Bird. That's a bear.
That's a moose.
Moose.
It's kind of like a deer. That's a deer. You got a deer.
Bull bear.
It's a bear. Good job. A polar bear.
Wow.
What else is in there? Come on, see what else is in there, Thomas.
Bear. Lion.
Lion, yeah.
Lion.
Well, look, it's a wolf.
It's a wolf. Wolf.
And a smaller wolf.
A tiger.
Yeah.
No, fuck. It's a bull bear.
It's a bear.
No, mommy.
Bear. Rawr.
More mommy.
What's this?
Penguin.
A penguin. A sea lion.
Meow.
Oh, look at that. It's a buffalo. Buffalo. Hey, what do you got there?
Willis.
Wow, I'm impressed you know that. So it is a walrus. Good job. All right, you can get that out of there. There's something else in there. You got to get it all out. There's the playmat.
Playmat? Playmat in there? More. Playmat in there. There or in there?
Can you get it out? Pull it out. Is that a lot of work? Good job. You got it out. Look at that.
Mama. Now.
Wow. Look, it goes even bigger. Oh, wow. You can spread it out, Thomas? Look at that. Put a deer on there. And a tiger. What do you think?
You're having fun with it.
You got the walrus? Is he swimming? The penguin?
Where's the walrus?
Well, that's right there.
That's not a walrus, that's a seal. Where's the walrus?
There's a
That's a wolf. It's a wolf. How?
Polar bear. Arr. Polar bear eats the seals. Nom, 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 nom,
Seal
nom.
bear. Seal bear.
That's a panda.
Seal bear.
Panda.
The manda bear. Finger. Adore. Finger.
Bison.
Animals.
Do you like the animals? What do you think? Is it cool?
There's no toys. There's the toys.
A wolf.
Also ducking. Ducking. Duck.
It's an elk.
Well, ducking.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you have a wonderful day. And don't forget to check out this toy set. I will leave the link down in the description below if you would like to check this out for your kids, because these are really neat. They're pretty durable, quality animals here. And my kids were very excited to open up the box. And they just love animals. Kids love to play with animals, so this is a really nice set. And this is a nice felt mat to play on too. So you could play with these animals however you want to, but you could also use this nice mat. Has a pretty winter animal scenery background, including a dog sled team over here, so that's pretty cool.